Hello, this is Theo Marshall of MarineMax Quincy, and today we're taking a look at the Boston Whaler 2011 17 Montauk. Beautiful boat here out of the water. She's powered by 90 horsepower Mercury engine. You got your helm seat, storage underneath, along with your helm, throttle, gauges, switches, your compass, and your radio. Inside the helm here you have storage, room for your tackle. Here a nice cooler that doubles as a seat, rod holders, and some beautiful bow seating along with storage space underneath. Again, this is the Boston Whaler 2011 17 Montauk. For any additional information or any questions, please give me a call at 508-367-8248. Thank you.